This is the rear foot elevated airplane. Now I find that when doing airplanes, to have the foot supported on the floor, it's quite easy to compensate and rotate or bend excessively through your low back versus having the foot just slightly elevated and supported on a small stair or step really allows you to isolate the hips better with this exercise. So we're going to have our toe or our forefoot just resting on a 4-inch to 6-inch step or box. From here, I'm going to tilt and hinge my hips forwards. I'm going to then try to rotate strictly through the hip, keeping my trunk relatively neutral. I'm going to open the hip up. Notice my rear foot, the toe rotates with the body, and then I'm going to close down. Trying to really isolate to the hip and not overcompensate through my mid-back. Demonstrating with the opposite leg. I hinge forwards. From here, I'm going to really focus all my effort here at this hip. I feel a strong stretch developing as I rotate towards this hip. And then I'm going to contract these muscles to open myself up and close back down. Nice, slow, and controlled. And that is the rear foot elevated airplane.